Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a night in the life. I'm about to cook some chicken, rosemary chicken with carrots and potatoes. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. And if you hear that noise, that's a little puppy that I'm going to be introducing today. She's been with us for, this is probably week 3. Next week will be week 4, so I'm about to cook and let's get right into it. Okay, so here are the ingredients. I have some yellow potatoes, I have the carrots already here, a onion, the rosemary, and then a pack of 6 chicken thighs. So I'm gonna cut up 3 potatoes. You guys hear something in the back? That's Muffin, our new puppy. Alright, so I'm gonna finish this and then I'll be back. So here's how it looks before I put the chicken in. I'm actually gonna go ahead and put this in the oven so that the vegetables can start to roast for a little bit while I prepare the sauce and the chicken. Okay, so the vegetables have roasted and I'm going to put my chicken on top. I have it ready to go. And I'm gonna also put these in there from the sauce, my sauce over. Stir that around. I don't know, can you guys hear Leon waking up? Okay guys, so here we go. I'm about to put it in the oven. I put some butter and more seasoning on the top of the chicken. And let's put it in the oven. Okay, so I heard Leon waking up. So I'm gonna show you guys Muffin. And I'm gonna show you guys what I bought from Lowe's today. I bought a carpet cleaner because Leon's room. One word. I'm coming. 2 words. Potty training. I'm coming. Hello.
Hey,
You guys, so I washed the puppy's bed and her towels. And I'm about to dry them. What are you doing?
I'm like outside all the time.
Alright. So I have these.
Mommy.
Here. Leon. Here. Put it in the dryer. Thank you.
Come inside.
Dryer.
Dad,
That's it.
I'm going to the back.
There's no more. Guys, I never showed you our new fridge. I don't know if you guys could tell, but before we were waiting to get a new fridge. So we had like a mini fridge right here in the meantime, but now we have our fridge. And I love it because it's so big. I need to restock. It is Thursday. Down to 1 more meal for Friday, which is gonna be some salmon patties.
Oh, God. Oh,
But yeah,
God.
it's really big. I really like it. Come on. Let's close it up. You guys, I'm giving Leon the other half of my sandwich.
Oh.
You guys, meet Miss Little Muffin, who is crying to be out with Leon. Muffin, you gotta pee? I'm actually gonna get my shoes. So I'm gonna get my shoes, go out back with her. Make sure she doesn't pee. Oh, Muffin. She's like all up on my feet. Come on. Outside. So when I come back in, I'm gonna show you guys the carpet cleaner. What was that, Lee? Come on, Muffy. So we got a little Muffin here. Got a pee-pee? Pee-pee? Go girl, go girl. Go pee-pee. No, Lee. Keep it close. Hold on. We're coming. She's got to go pee-pee. We'll be back. Eat your sandwich. Oh. You guys, as soon as we go inside, I bet she's going to pee. Right on the floor. You guys see her? She's got a stick. Muffin, what do you have? Okay guys, so here's what I got for Leon's room. Pet Stain and Odor by, I think it's Beazle. I don't know how to say it. But that's the chemical mix. And then the Turbo Clean Power Brush Pet Carpet Cleaner. It's a 2-tank system, lightweight, less than 13 pounds, removable nozzle, deep reach power brush, removes embedded dirt. Okay, so I think this should work. I know it says pet, but this is for a carpet that has turned into a potty from accidents and things like that. So I'm gonna see how this works out. Let me know if y'all have used this before.
Mommy?
You guys hear that? You guys see that? Yum. I put it on broil so that the top of the chicken could get crispy. Looks good. Lots of juice. And I have some rice in the rice cooker. Okay guys, so here's how the food turned out. This is Aaron's plate. Okay guys, so now I'm making husband's lunch. I have some New York style rye bread. One side I'm putting Dijon mustard. And the other side I'm gonna put mayonnaise. Lettuce. Cheese. Turkey and ham. Here's the sandwich. I would put tomato, but I'm gonna save the tomato for the salmon patties tomorrow. I'm gonna cut it in half. Hey guys, so it's the next day and I just left Walmart. So this is how the carpet cleaner looks set up. Leon's room is cleared out. And my husband's actually about to do it. I just put the water in, the solution in, and yeah, so he's about to do it and go over, and I'll get a few clips of him doing it.